Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be showing you guys my live trade. This is currently gold. I'm in shorts right now. So I just want to show you guys what I was looking at the markets, why I took this trade, and then how I managed the trade. It hopefully hits TP, but we have NFP this week, so I lowered my risk. I'm not going to put as many positions in as I usually do. Um, so yeah, let's go over it. So on the monthly time frame, as you guys know, I'm a swing trader, intraday swing trader, you could say. Um, we have price, closing under the 21 SMA of the monthly, then the previous month rejecting that 21 SMA. On the weekly, price came up. We still have red over blue, which means we're in a bearish market, as well as price rejecting the 21 and the 50 SMA for the past 2 weeks. Um, and closing under, not breaking above this little area right here, which is a monthly resistance level, as you can see right here. Resistance, resistance, resistance. You can also go on the weekly and see that every time price came and touched there, it reversed to the downside. So that's that. Also, people might say, longs because price is trading above both SMAs, or the SMAs I use, price is going to cross over. I mean, not price. The SMAs are about to cross over, and price could be creating, you could say, higher highs, higher lows. But what I've learned throughout the my year and a half of trading is that you can never, you know, just go off two time frames. You have to go through multiple time frames. So I saw on the daily, we have this um, little area of support here. If price did maintain the support, I would still be able to go long, but price did close under last Friday, and that made me want to go short as soon as the markets open on Sunday. Despite this, little, uh, not confluence because it goes against my reason to go short, but despite this inconvenience, you could say, um, because if you go to the 4 hour, we have an ascending trend line. I don't usually use trend lines, but just for this example, we had price creating higher highs, higher lows, and then price created a high, then it created a lower low, then a lower high, lower low, and then I was expecting price to come up, retest this area right here, to then keep going short. Here we have the lower high, and then hopefully continue down here. Now, why do I select these targets? Well, if you go to the daily, every time price would reject this zone right here, it would come down to this target and then reverse on us. So, you know, that is mainly the reason why I'm choosing that target and not, all the way down here or, anything else. Price could again reverse on me and stop me out of break even. I'll show you guys my MT4 right now. Sorry, MT5. I don't use MT4. Um, Another reason I decided to keep holding the trade was because, if we go and use the Fibonacci 2 from this wick down to this wick, we respected the 61.8 zone, creating a bearish engulfing to this downside, as well as a, you could say, double top pattern right here with a bearish engulfing. Um, the Fibonacci tool is not a magic tool. It doesn't mean that every time price gets to that area, it's going to reverse. But it's just an adding confluence. We also have the crossovers of the SMAs to the red over blue on the 4 hour, and price initially closed again under the support and is continuing to drop now. So let me go to the MT5 real quick. As you can see, live account, Vital Markets. I'm currently up 125 bucks. Uh, I'm gonna put my stops at break even right here because one, price did hit my 101. Right now it's not at my 101. It's a little bit less, but price did hit my 101. And my rule is for once price hit my 101, I put my stops at break even. And if we go back to the chart, you can see we have a lot of news coming up. We have ADP national employment at around 5 a.m. At 9 a.m. we have all of these. So, again, as I said before, it is NFP week and I don't want to risk that much. Usually if it wasn't NFP, I would probably look for another entry around this area with my entry around here, my stops a little bit above the break-even point to continue to the downside. But news can really affect the pair and break the analysis you had. So I'd rather just wait till at least this area down here is broken to then add another position. So yeah, my stops are break even. Hopefully this news doesn't stop me out. If it does, we'll have two break even trades for the week because I did take a GJ short on Sunday, but I got stopped at a break even before it initially um went all the way down to targets. Again, I'll show you guys everything that is going on. Hopefully tomorrow, because I'm gonna go to sleep right now. It's 1:50, 1 a.m. I gotta wake up tomorrow at around 8, 8 a.m. to go to my restaurant. So I don't, I don't want to miss on that much sleep. So price, not price, stops at a break even. So if price does reverse, I won't lose anything. Maybe just a commission, which is like not that much, it's like $2. Um, so yeah, let's see what happens, see what plans out, and yeah. Hey guys, so we're back. As you can see, it is currently 6:15 p.m. I got home around 5:30 while I ate, 6:15. So gold targets did get hit, and currently reversing now. I did give my analysis on why I wanted to take the trade, why I took the trade, and why I wanted the targets I wanted. So a little recap. We took gold shorts up here based on the monthly, the weekly, um, the 4 hour, and the daily closures. Um, you know, Once price did close under this little area right here, once this candle closed down here, I was more confident in the trade and knew that, didn't know because you never know the markets, but I was more confident that targets were going to get met and I would have a possibility of re-entry, which I didn't. I wasn't able to place another re-entry. But it's all good. We're just starting out the week. We're just starting out the month. So, pretty good start to the month. I'll show you guys my MT5 right now. When I first, when I started recording, it was 1:44 a.m. around there, more or less, and I was up 120 some change dollars. Uh, Now closing the trade at around a 3-to-1. I closed at about almost a $500 profit across my two trading accounts. That's almost $1,000 in a span of 2 days, which is pretty good in my opinion. Everybody has different targets, everybody has different goal mets, but for the size of my account, for the amount of time I've been trading, I think it is a pretty decent return, especially since we are just starting out the month. So again, once price closed under here, this little area right here, and I knew price had broken under this two SMAs that could have been used as support. I was again confident that my trade will hit my targets. So let's go to NT5 right now. You know, Keep in mind my entry was at 1789.84. So if you go to my MT5, you can see that gold shorts, XAU USD sell, entry at 1789.84 like we said. Targets, entered right here, got out right here for around a $492.66 profit. And if you go to my other account, sorry for the sound, it's very loud. Entry same price, exit same price, $434.70. So it's roughly around 920 some change dollars in profit for again 2 days, which is really really good for me. Um, you know, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to go over and show a live trade. I didn't show it beginning to end because by the time I got home, my price. Let's go back to trading view. Once I got home, price had already met my targets. My targets got met around 10 a.m. So I couldn't really record everything that was going on at the moment. Um, but just I'm happy that I was able to record it. Not from the beginning, but from, I guess you can say, middle of the trade till targets met. And I hope it gave you guys some insight on, uh, how I view the markets, why I take certain trades, why I keep holding certain trades, and all of that good stuff. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.